Let's solve part C in this video. So we have the definite integral between 1 and 4 of square root of 9x times dx. Okay, so let's go over here below and start solving it. Now, again, let's make a first step to make this expression more simple, because what is square root of 9 times x? Well, that's the same as square root of 9 times square root of x, which is equal to 3 times square root of x. So that's already looking better because we can take the constant out of the integral. So let's do that. Our first step will be to write this as the definite integral between 1 to 4 of 3 times square root of x times dx. Now, we just said that we're going to take the 3 out of the integral because it's a constant and we can do so. So we will have 3 multiplied with the definite integral of 1 until 4 of square root of x times dx. Now, to see what we can do with this, it's wise to write the x as square root of x as x to the power of 1 over 2. Why do we do so? Because we can apply the power rule. We can apply the power rule of x to the power of 1 over 2 under the integral. What's that going to be? Let's see. We will have 3 times the boundaries between 1 and 4, because now we're solving the integral already, so we're going to have to substitute the boundaries into the result. What is the integral of x to the power 1 over 2 dx? Well, that's x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1, that's just 3 over 2, divided by 1 over 2 plus 1, which is again 3 over 2. Now, again we have a constant, so let's rewrite this expression a bit. We will have the following. Let's go over here to have more space. 3 times the boundaries between 1 and 4. What is x to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2? Well, that's like multiplying with the inverse. So we will have 2 over 3 multiplied with x to the power of 3 over 2. Again, we have a constant. That 2 over 3, which is the constant, we take it out over here, and we will have 3 multiplied with 2 over 3 multiplied with the definite, actually this is the result of the integral, with the boundaries between 1 and 4, so the boundaries between 1 and 4 of x to the power of 3 over 2. Now, what do we do next? Well, we can cancel out some stuff. 3 and 3 are going to go away. So this and this goes away, and we're left with 2 multiplied with. What's going to be over here? Well, we will substitute the values into the result. So 4 goes into x, so we will have 4 to the power 3 over 2, minus 1 goes into x, so we will have 1 to the power 3 over 2. Now, what is 4 to the power 3 over 2? Well, 4 to the power 3 over 2 does the same as the second root of 4 cubed, right? Because if we write this as an expression with a power, the 2 would go below 3, so we would have 4 to the power of 3 over 2. This is just a property of exponents. Minus 1 to the power 3 over 2. 1 raised to any power is just 1. Now, what is the second root of 4 cubed? Well, 4 cubed is 64. The second root means the regular square root. So what we're going to have over here is 2 multiplied with the square root of, that's a big square root, to the square root of 64 minus 1. Now, what is the square root of 64? That's just 8. So what we have as a result is 2 times 8 minus 1, that's equal to 2 times 7, which is gonna be 14. And we are done. Next video, part D.